Well, it is a headline we've seen dozens of times over the past few years and even more since the pandemic hit in March. Once again, mortgage rates in the U.S. have hit all-time record lows. If it could be a good time for you to refinance, that's it tonight's Your Money Matters.
We've kind of been broken recording it for a while, but this is as low as they've ever been, and it's been sustained.
When the coronavirus first hit the market in March, mortgage rates were very volatile, briefly touching the current record low.
It hit this level in March for about 4 hours, and the whole country tried to refinance their house in those 4 hours, and we basically broke the bond market, and rates popped way up after that.
But for the past few weeks, mortgage rates have continually dropped lower and lower, now at well below 3%.
Now, the low twos in some cases for 15-year terms in some government loans, and upper twos for 30-year fixed mortgages, which we've never seen before.
Right now, many people who've purchased or refinanced a home over the past few years may have a mortgage rate around 3.5% to 5%.
3/4 of the people out there, 3/4 of the people who have mortgages that are above 3.5% and could benefit from this.
By refinancing and saving interest on their loan, homeowners can get a lower monthly payment, adding up to thousands in savings over the total life of their loan.
We're frankly trying to grab as much of this cheap money off the shelves as we can for people. I've doubled my staff in the last 2 months just trying to keep up.
The process involves a lot of paperwork, along with fees to refinance for the lowest rate. But right now, people may be able to refinance at no cost and still lock in a lower interest rate. It's why Carlson says everyone paying a mortgage should at least look into it.
We are identifying just almost every client that we have, they should at least look at it. I think the timing is right. I think people can save a ton of money if they, or not. I mean, look into it is the most important thing. Check it out, see what your options look like, and make your own decision. But this is the time to look.
Now, the process to refinance is a lot like redoing all of those financial checks you did when you first purchased your home. Look at your income, W-2s, bank accounts, and more. And even if one member of your family may have lost income due to the coronavirus, families may still be able to qualify to refinance.